G'day guys, Laurie Suarez again. Today we're going to talk about finding your perfect crypto match. So choosing a crypto exchange. So you're ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, and where do you buy and sell them? So crypto exchanges are your gateway, but with so many options, choosing the right one can be a little bit overwhelming for some. And that also depends what country you live in. But don't worry, this 8-minute guide will help you find the perfect crypto match for you. Think of it as a crypto supermarket. Exchanges are online platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade. That's what the exchanges predominantly do for a number of cryptocurrencies. Each exchange offers different features, caters for various user levels, and as I said, they're all different in different places of the world. So here's your shopping list. Before browsing exchanges, I want you to consider these key factors. Number one is security. This is the top priority. Look for exchanges with strong security measures like 2FA, with two-factor authentication, and cold storage facility for users' funds. The next thing is regulation. Opt for an exchange that complies with the relevant regulations, offering some of the investor protection that regulations basically implicate on these exchanges that they must have. The next thing is to look at the supported cryptocurrencies. What cryptocurrencies do they support? Does the exchange offer the cryptos you're interested in? Bitcoin, altcoins, stablecoins, etc. It's important to make sure that you've got an exchange that looks after the coins that you've invested in. The next thing is trading fees. Compare the fees for buying, for selling, and obviously for trading. Some exchanges charge a flat fee, while others work on a variable rate based on the trade volume. Something that's really important is a user interface, or a UI. Is the platform easy to navigate for you, especially if you're a beginner? Look for clear instructions and a potential to be able to watch some tutorials so that you can get up to speed with how it all works. The other thing is payment methods. How can you deposit and withdraw funds from that exchange? Does the exchange support your preferred method? Whether it be a bank transfer, pay ID, credit cards, etc. But at some point in time, probably the most important aspect of any exchange is their customer support. Are they reliable? Are they responsive? And because customer support may be a very crucial part of your experience within an exchange. So let's explore the options. Are they beginner friendly? Coinbase and Robinhood are popular for those user-friendly interfaces and limited crypto selections, making them a good starting point for new people. If you're a savvy trader and you like a little bit of arbitrage, etc., Kraken and Binance offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies, together with advanced features and potentially lower fees based on trading volumes. But they are there to cater for the more experienced user. If you focus on security, exchanges such as Gemini prioritizes security and is a good option for those seeking that peace of mind. But remember, there's no one size fits all in a crypto exchange. You need to research and compare based on your needs and your priorities. And here's a few extra tips for you. Make sure you read the online reviews. See what other users' experience with different exchanges are. Are they positive? Are they negative? Work out, whether the exchange is going to be a good experience for you. The other thing is to start small. Don't deposit a large amount until you're comfortable with the platform that you've decided to go with. Consider the security, enable the 2FA, and keep your login credentials secure. If it's a passphrase that you require, make sure you keep a copy of that in a safe place. In essence, choosing the right crypto exchange sets the foundation for your trading journey. By considering these factors and doing your research, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect experience and the perfect platform for you to trade and store your cryptocurrency. See you all tomorrow. Till then, happy learning, happy trading.